Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the characteristic of wave motion. This wave is simple harmonic wave. Let us consider a simple harmonic wave. Plane progressive simple harmonic wave traveling in a direction of x-axis with velocity v, whose equation is given by formula yxt is equal to a sine 2 pi t by capital T minus x by lambda. This wave have following property. To understand the property, let us see the one point very carefully here. Material medium. This material may be in any state, solid, liquid or gas. It may be any state. This material medium is compulsory. Compulsory for the propagation of wave. Without medium, it cannot travel. This material medium must have following property. Elasticity. This elasticity, inertia. Inertia means it can store energy within a medium. And during this transmission, there must be minimum friction. Have elasticity, so bring back the particle in their original position. Proper inertia to store energy. And minimum friction. Then it is suitable for propagation of simple harmonic wave. Plane progressive, we may add in that. Progressive simple harmonic wave SHW. See the second property very carefully. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 which is marked. They are material medium particles. This is the medium. The particles are represented by their numbers. Wave is propagating along x-axis and medium particle vibrating along y-axis. Some has no displacement, particle number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. And particle 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. They are at maximum displacement called amplitude. So material medium in particles, this vibrates to and fro from mean position. Mean position. Mean position. So material particle, this is the mean position. This line you see very carefully in the diagram. This is mean position. So vibrate. And wave propagated in forward, but medium particle do not move along x-axis or in the direction of wave. Only vibrate, made simple harmonic vibration. SHW stand for simple harmonic vibration. These particles do not travel along wave motion. One more important property, there must be continuous phase difference between any two successive particle in medium. Two successive particle means what? Suppose particle number 2 and particle number 3 we are taking. Particle 2 has a displacement 0 and 3 has a maximum displacement along negative direction. So there will be always a phase difference during the propagation of wave between two successive particles. Why? Because particle number 3 vibrate after little time to the vibration in particle number 2. Because second particle oscillate after little time after first particle. Each particle, see the displacement, if we consider the other particle between 4 and 5, have different displacements. So each particle has a different velocity. All are in forward direction. In the next half, a different particle has a different velocity in a different direction in opposite half. But all particles do not have same velocity. So this is the one property of that the velocity of particles during particles vibrate is different at different positions. Somewhere 0, some and beginning and moving from 0 to other side. See, velocity also increases, gets maximum, then decreases, again 0, no displacement means, if displacement no means particle 6 have no velocity. Now see, for the velocity v for a wave motion is constant for a given medium. So it can be seen here, the velocity of wave motion is constant for given medium. It depends on nature of medium only. It's only depend, and this velocity does not depend upon frequency of wave. You are knowing frequency and wavelength, intensity, of wave. When we talk about energy, we can give words wavelength also. Wavelength is denoted by lambda, frequency by nu. And the final characteristic, when wave propagated in a medium with velocity v, it transmits energy. So the last characteristic we may take, energy is transmitted through wave propagation. These are the important characteristics of simple harmonic wave propagated in a direction. So this is for topic only. Thank you and have a nice day to all.